Hey everyone, my name is Komal. Welcome back to Rice PTE. Are you preparing for the Pearson test of English and aiming to pass on your first try? With the right strategies and preparation, it's absolutely possible. In this guide, we will share 9 expert tips to help you ace the PTE and achieve your goals. Before I begin, may I request you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Let's get started. Number one preparation tip is understand the test format. And I will tell you why it matters. Knowing the structure of the test reduces anxiety and helps you prepare effectively. My tip is familiarize yourself with all 4 sections. Number 1, speaking. So in speaking, practice speaking with clarity and correct intonation. Focus on fluency over perfection. Avoid long pauses. Recall yourself and review for pronunciation and tone. Okay? In writing, use templates for essays and summarize but ensure they are flexible. Practice writing within time for limits while maintaining coherence and grammatical accuracy. In reading, improve skimming and scanning techniques to identify key ideas quickly. Work on understanding vocabulary in context. Last section is listening. Practice active listening with podcasts, audiobooks, or PTE sample tests. Focus on the types of questions you find most challenging. Understanding the types of questions in each section ensures you know what to expect on test day. Number 2 is use official PTE resources. And do you want to know why it helps? Because these materials are specially designed to reflect the test format, question types, and scoring criteria. Official resources provide the most accurate representation of the test. I'll give you a few tips. Use official PTE guides, practice tests, and online resources to prepare. These materials help you get familiar with the format and difficulty of the questions. Number 3 is create a study schedule. And why it is important? Because consistent study plan helps you stay on track. A well-structured study schedule can help you systematically prepare for the PTE. Aim for 2 to 3 hours per day. Try to focus on your weak areas. Allocate more time to the sections where you need improvement and use official PTE practical resources. My tips will be plan your study time by allocating specific hours to each section. Stick to your schedule to ensure steady progress. Let's look at the next one in speaking and writing tips. Number 4 is practice speaking clearly and at a natural pace. Avoid long pauses or hesitations. Speak at a natural pace. Don't rush or speak too slowly. Clarity is crucial. Focus on correct pronunciation rather than sounding perfect. And let's see why it matters. Speaking too quickly or unclearly can lower your score. So what you can do is to use punctuation as a guide for pausing naturally. If I talk about writing, then I would suggest you to plan before writing. Spend 1 to 2 minutes outlining your thoughts for structured responses. This is particularly helpful for tasks the essay writing. My tips are practice speaking with clarity and a moderate pace. Record yourself to evaluate your speed and pronunciation. Stay calm, confident. Confidence in delivery and clarity is to scoring well. Number 5 is use essay and summary templates. Templates provide a structured approach to writing tasks, and it can significantly enhance your performance. My tips are: practice using essay and summary templates to organize your thoughts. This ensures you cover all key components efficiently. Stay within word limits. In summarized written text, write a single sentence which is ideally 5 to 75 words. In essay writing, write 200 to 300 words. Keep sentences clear to avoid grammar mistakes. Reading and listening tips. Number 6 is develop skimming and scanning techniques. Quick identifying key information is crucial for the reading section. My tips are: skim the passage to understand the main idea. The focus should be on headings, subheadings, first and last sentences of paragraphs and keywords. Time you should spend is 50 to 30 seconds in skimming a passage before diving into the questions. Next step will be scan for specific details to answer questions efficiently. During scanning, the focus should be on keywords or phrases from the question. You should use scanning after skimming when answering specific questions. Next is improve your note-taking skills. Good notes help you answer listening questions accurately. Use a structured format, write the theme, list supporting details or subpoints, jot down specific example, numbers, or names. My tips are: develop a shorthand system using symbols and abbreviations. Second one is practice taking notes while listening to audio clips. Next one is journal test taking tips. Take practice tests under real exam conditions is one of the most effective ways to prepare for the PTE. It helps you become familiar with the test format, manage time effectively, and reduce anxiety during the actual exam. And do you want to know why it is important? Because it teaches you how to allocate time for each section, identifies your strengths and areas of improvement. Simulating the actual test helps build stamina and confidence. So my tips for this will be: take full-length practice tests with a timer. This helps you get used to the pressure and timing of the real exam. Last but not the least, stay calm and focused on test day. Nerves can affect your performance. Familiarize yourself with the test formats and rules to avoid surprises. Organize your documents. Get at least 7 hours of sleep the night before the exam to stay mentally active. Arrive at the test center location at least 30 minutes early. My tips are: use mindfulness techniques like deep breathing to stay calm. Trust your preparation. Have got this. So stay positive. And there you have it. 9 expert tips to help you pass the PTE on your first attempt. Remember, preparation, practice, and staying calm are the keys to success. Follow these steps, stay dedicated, and you will be well on your way to achieving your goal. Good luck with your PTE preparation. If you have any questions or want more personalized advice, feel free to ask. I will see you on my next lecture. Bye.